So I'm out here at a customer's place today who are with Belong. They've got fibre to the node service. Now I'm out here in Wilberforce, which is out near Windsor. Now basically they're with Belong. They spoke to Belong. They're getting something up to like 50 dropouts a day. It continuously is dropping out on this service. Now this only happened after the floods here because it's so close to Windsor. Obviously this area all got affected as well. So they've spoke to Belong. Belong sent them out a new router to plug in and try, but the same thing kept happening. So they basically wiped their hands of them and said that it's a problem with your cabling inside your house and you need to get a technician to come out and check it out. So that's why I'm here today. Now this NBN service is pretty new. It was installed in 2020. They've got that is also including a brand new leading cable from the street. Now, they've only got one socket in the place. This is it down here. Now, if I get my torch on it, you can see there's a black cable. See the black cable? That is a little leading cable. All right. Get there so you can see it. All right. So that cable there is going outside, and I'll just show you. Okay, so that's the leading cable coming in from the street, and there's the box there. Right, so basically they've just got that cable snaking around coming into here, and as you can see, there's not even Scotch locks on it, right? So that cable is just coming into here and then going directly to that socket, right? You see that? No scotchies, right? So there's no break in that cable. It's basically this cable going through here to here, from here to here, looping around and into the socket. Okay, so there's no internal cabling, basically that's it. And that socket is boom, boom, right behind here, okay? It's directly behind, so it's like what? A metre of cable, if anything. Now, that cable was put in by NBN 2 years ago. It was dug in, and now out the street here, I can't seem to find any pits. Now, this is fibre to the node. Now, I remember back in 2000, when we did the CAN 2000 project, which I was a manager on, we rehabilitated all this area, all around here, Wilberforce, Windsor, everywhere with gel joints. So whether they're, it's really old cabling or something like that, that's causing the problem, it's probably got all water in it. But I've had a good walk around here and I can't seem to find any pits. So they're probably buried somewhere. Hang on, oh, there's one down here. I'll go get my pit key, check it out. So as you can see here, everything is submerged because we just had the floods here. So this is all the Windsor area. So if that's blocked there or flooded there, that'll be flooded everywhere. So if there's any bag joints or anything like that anywhere, that's going to be a problem. So that water's just stationary, it's not going anywhere. So everything's submerged. So this one Belong is 100% going to be back on you. I'm testing it, I'll show you the test results. It's actually testing okay. They're getting a good speed, but it's just the dropouts, okay? So this is all network, they're all on network cable. Okay, so you can see on the XDSL tester, we're getting an excellent reading there, VDSL2. So we're getting 22 up, 38 down, and then the max coming in is 78 and 31 up. All right, so you can see it's connecting, excuse me, but it's dropping out constantly. So we're getting constant dropout issues. And as I showed you, that's a brand new socket that was installed by NBN, which is connected to a brand new leading cable, which was installed by NBN, which is directly on their network. So there's no internal cabling inside this property. It's all network. So Belong, you'll need to send out a technician to come and get this one sorted out and reimburse this customer 100% for our call out today. Thanks, bye.